Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue which is regarding the assessment of any other assessee who is not a searched assessee, and the assessment has been completed on the basis of a satisfaction note which is being prepared after a period of 1 year from the date of the assessment of the searched person. So the issue was that if there is an inordinate delay, or whether the satisfaction note recorded after 1 year comes into the definition of inordinate delay, and only because of this factor whether the assessment under section 153C should be quashed. This issue has been decided by Ahmedabad ITAT D bench in the case of income tax officer versus Pranav Praful Chandra Vora, and this case is reported in 133 ITR tribunal at page number 460, and the date of the judgment is 15th May 2025. In the present case, the assessment of the assessee was completed and some additions were made on the basis of statements of some other persons for which the assessee filed a appeal before the CIT appeal. When the matter was before the CIT appeal and the assessee was challenging the assessment under section 153C, the CIT appeal allowed the appeal of the assessee on the ground that the additions have been made just on the basis of the statement of third persons without giving the assessee the opportunity of cross-examination, and according to the CIT appeal it was against the principle of natural justice. So the CIT appeal allowed the appeal of the assessee on the basis of non-providing of opportunity of cross-examination to the assessee. When the revenue filed the appeal before against the CIT appeal order before the revenue, the assessee took the shelter of Rule 27 and raised an additional ground, first time, that the assessment has been completed on the basis of a satisfaction note which has been prepared after an inordinate delay of more than 1 year from the date of the assessment of the searched assessee. The revenue opposed the invocation of Rule 27, and the ground for opposition was that the Rule 27 applies only when the assessee has raised some ground before the CIT appeal and the CIT appeal has decided that issue against the assessee, and it was the viewpoint of the revenue that since the assessee has not raised this ground before the CIT appeal, so the question of deciding that ground against the assessee does not arise, and so the Rule 27 is not applicable. When the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal was of the view that strictly in the present case, Rule 27 is not for the assessee, but the assessee do have a right to raise an additional ground. The assessee do have a right to file the cross appeals. The assessee do have a right to file the cross objections. The main condition is that there is no new fact on the file before the tribunal, since there was no new fact in the present case also. So the revenue, so the tribunal heard the additional ground of the assessee even through the Rule 27 application in the present case. And when the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal was of the view that according to the circular of the Central Board of Direct Taxes, that there should not be an inordinate delay in recording the satisfaction after the completion of the assessment of the searched assessee. Now the question is that in the present case the satisfaction note has been recorded after a period of more than 1 year. So whether the period of 1 year comes into the definition of inordinate delay. For this, the tribunal said that the period of 1 year comes into the definition of inordinate delay, and the assessment should be quashed on this ground. Friends, the present case is very important because in cases of search, it has been seen that the satisfaction is recorded much later when the assessment is completed of the searched assessee. So it has a big bearing on the civil liability of any other person, because sometimes the period lapses and there is no period prescribed in the act that up to this time the section 153C notice should be issued, because 153C proceeding starts from the date the satisfaction is recorded. So indirectly there is some hope for the assessee that in recording the satisfaction there should not be some inordinate delay, and in the present case the tribunal quashed the assessment proceeding on the basis of inordinate delay in recording the satisfaction note in respect of any other assessee. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Income Tax Officer versus Pranav Praful Chandra Vora, and this case is reported in 133 ITR Tribunal at page number 460, and the matter has been decided by Ahmedabad ITAT D bench, and the date of the judgment is 15th May 2025. Thank you, friends.